Today I'm going to read Everything is Awesome Too. This activity list is due next Monday, August 27th. Under structures it says required for 20 minutes, practice. Create one poster to illustrate an example and non-example of one classroom expectation from the Great Student Rubric. This can be done independent or pair. Reflect when you're done. Required for 20 minutes, part of the product. Complete the structures page for your blueprint. Include an explanation of how you use each one to share with your family. This is independent. Reflect when you're done. Next is required for 20 minutes, a learning activity. Watch the Brain Pop Junior video School. Go under Social Studies, Communities, School. Watch the video, then complete the quiz in the resource area. This can be done independent or pair. Reflect when you're done. We have an optional activity, but remember, don't do optional till you're done with everything else. Takes 10 minutes. Add another structure to the structures page and explain it. Independent, reflect when you're done. In the blueprint, you have a choice of 20 minutes practice activity. Find a buddy and buddy read using EEKK, EEK, or find a quiet spot to read to self. Independent would be read to self. Pair would be buddy read. Write their name on the line. Reflect when you're done. Next, we have a choice for 20 minutes, a practice activity. On your class Canvas page, post one explanation for real reading and one thing fake readers do. Use the how-to sheet for directions if you need help. Or make a cartoon to show one expectation for real reading and one thing fake readers do. This is done independent. Reflect when you're done. Next, you have a choice, 20 minutes, a practice activity. Complete the interview your friend from the resource area, or complete the friendship facts from the resource area. Practice being polite and kind as you work together. Pair, write your buddy's name on the line, and reflect when you're done. Required for 15 minutes, part of the product. Complete the builder biography from the resource area. Independent, reflect when you're done. These two are optional, so remember you don't do them until you're done with everything else. 20 minutes, make a map of our classroom to add to your blueprint. Independent, reflect when you're done. And optional for 10 minutes, add pictures to your explanation of real and fake reading. Independent, reflect when you're done. Under social, second grade scientists, we have required for 10 minutes, a learning activity. Watch Making Observations on Brain Pop Junior. Use the how-to sheet to guide you to the correct video. If you need help, add your name to the help board. Go to Science, be a scientist making observations. Look for this icon. Independent or pair, write your buddy's name on the line. Reflect when you're done. Required for 15 minutes, a practice activity. Complete the observation and inferences paper in the resource area. Add this to the work completed side of your folder when finished. Independent or pair, reflect when you're done. EIA review, required for 5 minutes. Scan the QR code to review the tricky words on your level. Independent, reflect when you're done. Good luck this week.